Welcome dear students in our e-learning maths class. Myself Sheetal Dholi from Gokhale Education Society's HL High School English Medium Ozar Township. I am here for Standard 9 Mathematics Part 2. In previous video I have started construction of triangle, and in that already I explained first type of construction, that is to construct a triangle when its base and angle adjacent to the base and sum of the lengths of remaining sides is given. Along that I explained practice set 4.1. Today I am going to explain the second type of construction, that is to construct a triangle when its base, angle adjacent to the base and the difference between the remaining sides is given. Along that I will explain practice set 4.2. Let's start. Let's discuss the first example from practice set 4.2. Construct triangle XYZ such that YZ equals to 7.4 cm, angle XYZ equals to 45 degree and XY minus XZ equals to 2.7 cm. Here base is given 7.4 cm, angle adjacent to the base is given 45 degree and the difference of remaining two sides is given 2.7 cm. Now first of all we will draw the rough diagram. See the rough diagram. In that here we can observe we have to take the base as a 7.4 cm, then we have to make the angle 45 degree at Y. Then in compass we have to take the appropriate distance, that is 2.7, and we have to mark at point W. Then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of WZ, and then at last we will get the required triangle XYZ. Now let's do the actual construction. First of all, everyone draw the 7.4 cm segment as YZ. See here 7.4 cm segment, give name YZ. 7.4 cm. Now keep the protractor at Y and draw an angle of 45 degree. Here we have to keep the protractor at Y and we have to draw an angle of 45 degree. Here that ray YL. Now in compass we have to take the distance 2.7 cm. Keep that compass at point Y and draw one arc on ray YL. Then afterwards for that point give name W. Then join WZ. So we'll get the triangle WYZ. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of WZ. For that you have to take the more than half distance of WZ and you have to draw the arc on up and down. Without changing the distance, keep the tip of compass at W and draw an arc, those intersect the previous one. Then afterwards draw a line, those are touch this ray YL. Here this. Then afterwards you join the point X and Z. So here we get the required triangle XYZ. Okay, understood students? Let's discuss on the second example. Construct triangle PQR such that QR equals to 6.5 cm, angle PQR equals to 40 degree, PQ minus PR equals to 2.5 cm. In your textbook, angle PQR is given 60 degree, but when you are taking the angle PQR as a 60 degree, then the construction of triangle is very large. So instead of that, everyone make a correction, angle PQR equals to 40 degree. Now let's do the rough diagram. So in rough diagram, QR as a base for 6.5 cm, then at angle Q equals to 45 degree, and in on ray QP, here that point S is marked as a distance of 2.5 cm. Then afterwards we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of SR. After doing the perpendicular bisector of SR, we get the required triangle PQR. Now let's do the actual construction. Everyone will draw the first QR segment for 6.5 cm. Keep protractor at Q and make an angle of 40 degree. Then in your compass, take the distance 2.5 cm and keep the tip of compass at Q and draw one arc on ray QX. After getting the point S, join the segment SR. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of SR. Perpendicular bisector of SR intersect the ray QX at point P. Then afterward join the point PR. After joining the segment PR, we get the required triangle PQR. Okay, now we'll discuss the third example. The third example, construct triangle ABC such that BC equals to 6 cm, angle ABC equals to 80 degree and AC minus AB equals to 2.5 cm. Now here again in your textbook angle ABC equals to 100 degree is given, but again that construction of triangle is too large, so instead of 100 you have to make there 80. And one more is given, AC minus AB is there, instead of AB minus AC here AC minus AB equals to 2.5 cm. Now first of all let's do the rough diagram. So in rough diagram we can observe BC is the base as 6 cm, angle B is given 80 degree. Now here AC minus AB equals to 2.5 cm is given, so in a compass we have to take the distance 2.5 cm and we have to draw the arc at downside, because here AC minus AB is there, instead of AB minus AC it is AC minus AB is given. Then afterwards we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of DC, and here afterwards we get the required triangle ABC. Now let's do the actual construction. First of all we have to draw the segment BC of 6 cm, then we have to keep the protractor at B and you have to draw an angle of 80 degree. With the help of protractor you have to draw an angle of 80 degree and you have to draw that ray or extend that ray at downward side and you give the name EF. Then afterwards in compass you have to take the distance 2.5 cm. Keep the tip of compass at point P and draw an arc in downward side. So first of all take a distance 2.5 cm in your compass. After taking 2.5 cm distance in compass, keep the tip of compass at point B and draw an arc on ray BF. For that point give the name D. Then draw the segment DC. Now you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. Perpendicular bisector of DC intersect the ray BT at point A. Then afterwards you have to join the point AC. After joining the point AC you will get the triangle ABC, which is our required triangle. Okay, understood everyone? In this way you will complete all these 3 constructions in your classwork notebook. In next video I will take the next type of construction. Till then you have to take care of yourself. Thank you.